Check, 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 mic check. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. Wednesday, the 3rd of March, 2021. Welcome to Mark. That's me, my words, my channel. Great to be live. Great to be live again. I love being live for Market Open. I do have commitments outside of YouTube, so it's not always possible. However, I do try and get live as often as I can. So welcome. What are we all about here? We are all about trading, traveling and training. Trading, looking at penny stocks, crypto, long-term investments, chart analysis, all that kind of stuff. I've been trading for, excuse me, about a year and a half, maybe 2 years coming up for. I like to think I've learned a few things along the way. Sure, it's cost me some money. That's how you learn, by making mistakes. So don't claim to be perfect. This is not financial advice. This is just for fun, ladies and gentlemen. Traveling. So one of my long-term goals was to be able to buy a Volkswagen transporter van and convert it into a camping vehicle. So I've just managed to hit that lifetime ambition, 20 years ago. So 20 years ago, I put it in my mind that that's what I wanted to do. Last year, I was finally in a position to be able to buy the van. That's been delivered. It's sat at the dealers. Should be with me soon. All will be revealed. Keep an eye on the channel for more updates on that. With that in mind, if you are new here, please do hit subscribe. Do hit the notification ting ting and give me a thumbs up. I am trying to reach 100 subscribers. We are 2/3 of the way there, ladies and gentlemen. We have nearly made it to the custom URL. You can keep your fancy plaques. Not interested. 100,000 subscribers. Happy days. I want that custom URL. That's all. So if you can help me get that, I would really appreciate it. And the final thing that we cover on this channel is training. I am a bit of a cyclist, mostly because I like wearing Lycra. No, I'm joking. I enjoy being out on a bicycle. It's good for my mental health. It keeps me headstrong and it keeps me relatively fit. When you get to my age, mid-40s, things start to go south rather quickly. So you've got to do what you can to keep yourself in shape mentally and physically. So keep an eye out for that as the winter draws to a close and we get to spring, which we are just seeing the green shoots of now. I will be out on the bicycle, traveling around in the van, to some of the most iconic cycling climbs in Europe. And the plan is to drive the van, do some camping in the van, give you the reality of that, van life, hashtag van life. Go and do a climb, show you what that's all about, how I found it, whether it was a struggle, blah, blah, blah. And then get back to the van, get cleaned up, bit of trading, bit of online trading. Fantastic. Trading, traveling and training. We're going to cover it all on this channel. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, subscribe, hit the subscribe button and let me know. Say hello. If you're popping by, pop into the chat. Say hello. I don't bite. It's nice. It's better than sitting here talking to myself. Although, to be honest, I quite enjoy that sometimes as well. Anyway, 10 minutes away till market open today. Wild Wednesday. Will it be Wild Wednesday? This is the chart GME from yesterday, which I marked up. Check it out in my other videos. I did a video yesterday just to review what had happened during the day. So, you know, again, pretty tight trading day. We did get a bit of a peak up to 132. We did drop as low as 116. So if you are in for swings, then you could have made some money there. Quite a bit. I think that was short shenanigans. Probably the same here as well, trying to drag the price and then sideways into the close and a little uptick at the end. Pre-market looking at, where are we? GME, pre-market currently at 119.05, so up 1% pre-market. Will we get the spike that we saw last week? Oosh, Squirrel, my man, good morning. How are you, my friend? Yes, I'm looking forward to doing the van vids as well, mate. I can't wait, really. Are we gonna see this run up again today, Squirrel? It's our 1 week anniversary, mate. We started chatting on here 1 week ago. Let's see if we can get some anniversary price action going. So yeah, GME yesterday, fairly tight. Looks like they were trying to drag us down. We never really broke below 116, which was good to see. Tested it a few times, but that now looks like a really good level of support. So we'll see about that. I will clear all of these off. This is yesterday's. If you want to know more about this, please go and check out my video from yesterday. What I will do is I will set our start time for today, 14:30. Please excuse me, I am in Europe, so all timings are Central European time. So we sit that there so we can start to see the action straight away. Let me go over to AMC for yesterday. Similar story, really. A little bit more sideways, a little bit less aggressive yesterday from on AMC. We did get the usual dip, peak, dip, sideways. Then we got this I think a short attack here. We did pick back up nicely. Again, they tried again to bring us down. Didn't really work for them. What we did form on the last part of the day was this nice ascending level of support there, which you can see. So all in all, and if we look back over time, you can see that we are actually sitting in a very nice longer term level of ascending support. This is all coming to a head very, very soon, in my opinion. Let's put it there. We are in the tightest of channels, right there, or thereabouts. Again, it's an art, it's not science. So yesterday, whoa, hey, look at that. Yesterday we got the little, look at that. That took us out of that triangle there, look. That could be crucial today. I did see on the internet that somebody put in bids for 1.5 million shares, I believe it was, right at the close, or was it 14 million? I can't remember. Really put it in right at the close. Again, right at the close. It keeps happening. So what we'll do is we will clear this and we will mark up today's start line, which will be here somewhere. There we go. And then we can follow the action. Pre-market, it's showing on here as 893. I will just double check that on my other source, which is StockTwits on the iPad. It's nothing too technical. I've not got secret access to anything. So yeah, AMC currently pre-market 0% gain, 0%, trading at 893. The close price for yesterday, there or thereabouts. Quick look at Fintel for short interest. Let's have a look. We will refresh this. And this is 48 minutes ago. Shares available to short, according to Fintel, 200,000. This isn't across all brokerages. This is across a leading prime brokerage. Okay, so it's not across all brokerages, nor is it the short interest as they make it there. Borrow fee, 8.65%. That is unchanged from yesterday. So still expensive to borrow. GME, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Again, 49 minutes ago, that says 200,000 available to short. Let's just refresh that. Yeah, 49 minutes ago, 3.10. So that, I believe, oh, that's 19 hours ago. Yeah, that was from yesterday. So the short borrow fee has not increased since yesterday. Squirrel just asking, did you see on Reddit some guy thinks he decoded the Ryan Cohen tweet? No, I didn't. Let's get Reddit up. GameStop. Reddit, GME. No. I did see Squirrel, some guy, hey, it's Pixel. He did some very, very comprehensive due diligence. Again, with all due diligence, you take it with a pinch of salt. But he went through what he believes are, yeah, if you can send me the link, that would be good, and we can have a look at it. He believes that he's worked out that it will be the 19th of March where this all comes to a head, and there's several reasons for that. One of them is Witching Day, where 4 different components of the stock market all converge, and it doesn't happen very often. Let's get that up. Witching Day stock. Here we are. And if we go to what is triple, oh, but it's quadruple witching. It's one of the quadruple witching day stock market. Investopedia. Here we go. Quadruple witching refers to a date on which stock index futures, stock index options, stock options and single stock futures expire simultaneously, while stock option contracts and index options expire on the 3rd Friday of every month. All 4 asset classes simultaneously on the 3rd Friday of March, June, September and December, so once per quarter. Quadruple witching is similar to the triple witching dates when 3 out of the 4 markets expire, or double witching when 2 out of the 4 markets expire. Key takeaways. Quadruple witching refers to a date on which derivatives of stock index futures, stock index options, stock options and single stock futures expire simultaneously. While it may result in increased volume and arbitrage opportunities, quadruple witching does not necessarily translate to increased volatility in the markets. And what do we say on this? Volatility drives the price. Volume drives volatility. Volatility drives the price. Quadruple witching days witness heavy trading volume, in part due to the offsetting of existing futures and options contracts that are profitable. That is what we want to hear. That is what we like to read. That is what we like to read. So, all good, all good, all good, all pointing to positive outcome. Word of caution, if you've seen my video, buyer beware. If you haven't, please go and look at it. But I touch on in there how your mentality should be when you're trading, okay? In short, you get in when you're happy with what you're happy to lose, and you get out when you think you've made or lost enough, okay? Simple as that. Don't be swayed by anybody's dates, anybody's predictions, anybody's price expectations, or, you know, do your own due diligence. That is so important. Go your own way. Don't be swayed by anybody. Okay, so that's where we're at. We are less than 1 minute away from the open, so I'm going to swing back to the charts and let's see if we fly out of the blocks. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's nearly time. Signals a partnership with a hand of SLGE. I think Wall Street Bets is going to push CIO on open. SLGG, No worries, mate, no worries. There we go, straight out the traps to $9 for AMC. Straight out the traps, to 125 now for GME, 125.50. Wow. That's not halted already, surely. Surely not. Let me move that just to one side. We can see there. No, 125. Oh my gosh. Is that halted already? AMC. Let's go there, look. 909 AMC, 907. No GME's trading. It's back on. 122. 122. Woo! Selling off. Woo! There she goes. Selling off. It's 2.5% up. Might be interesting. Boom, here we go. Squirrel, I'll get it up here. Let's have a look at it. We've got time. We've got all day, mate. Well, I haven't got a couple of hours. But anyway, you know what I mean. 121.69. Let's just leave that there. Let's add watch list here. SLGG. Super League Gaming. Let's have a look. Let's get on the watch list. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Squirrel. You're right, man. Look at this. Super League Gaming. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What is this all about? Can I get it on eToro? Is it worth trying to get a little... Nope. It's not on eToro. I can't trade it. Well, that looks like it might be an interesting little day trade there. 40% up, look. Wow. There she goes. Boom, here we go, exactly. If you find a link for where this was discussed, Squirrel, I'd appreciate it if you could send it through. Doesn't matter if you can't, I'll have a look for it later. But yeah, I'd be interested to see that. What else have we got going on? Plugs up, right? I need to. What's my Ethereum doing? There we go. Okay, so. SLGG, we'll keep an eye on that one, mate. So it's connected to AMC, is it? Or GME? Yeah, good one, man. Get in there. Get in there. Ride it up for the day. Don't forget, Squirrel, take your profits when you're happy, mate. I can't get it on my platform that I'm trading on. I could on my other one, but then I've got to pay like $15 in fees. So you're $15 out of pocket already, you know, and you're trading on a pop, which, you know, I don't really want to do that. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, let's go back to GME. 124, 125.49. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see how this plays out today. I'm thinking, Squirrel, I might try and grab a couple more depending how it goes today. Whoa, there we go. Come on, baby. We want to see the 180, 190 again, Squirrel. That's what we're all about. Here we go, 127.43. She's flying. She's absolutely flying. Yesterday, it was red across the board. What else is up today? BCRX, that's up. Another one of my plays. I've got a few in this. This is a medical company. That's up. God, that went up to 11.90. So it's dropped back down again. Clovis. Oh, the bane of my life. I've got 200 shares in there, and I'm just about break even now. I didn't take any profits. Because I thought they were going to keep riding up, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I might pull it out and put it into GME depending what happens, because I think it's going to be stuck around there for a long, long, long time. A long, long, long time. Oh, excuse me. What else have we got going on? Plug. I bought some in Plug the other day. 48.20. That's down. That's disappointing, but I think I am still just about... Oh no, I'm $12 down now. $12 down. Never mind. It's $12. It's not a lot to recover. So yeah, hopefully that can get back in the green. It's selling off a little bit. BCRX back up to 1180. GME, AMC cooling off back under $9 now. But we've got a golden cross there. Look on the 1 minute. That's if we can maintain that, that'd be quite nice. Let's mark that up. But again, I think it's, oh yeah, the ice cream cone and frog was a clue to that Anne Hand lady that runs SLGG, because on your LinkedIn she worked at a frog company in McDonald's. Aha. I see. Interesting. I think what we might see here is, where's my brush here? What we might be seeing here is the normal up, down, sideways. So let's see if it comes down. Let's see if it follows something like that and rests back down again. I would hope that we finish above $9 today. It would be nice. But we'll see. We'll see where it takes us. GME, 483 up. Again, looking like we're forming the usual up, down, and let's see where it takes us today. Maybe. Yeah, absolutely, man. Ride it, Squirrel. 54% up now, mate. I can't buy. It's annoying, the crap platforms that we have here. If anybody watches this later on and you're from Europe and you know some platforms that give you access to all the stocks, please let me know, because I get really frustrated when I get a good nod on a good stock and then I can't buy it unless I go through my UK brokerage, which charges fees. It's £11.95, so it's about $16 just to place a trade, plus your foreign exchange fee as well. So if you're doing penny stocks like this, you're $20 in before you've even started. You've got to, make your $20 back. So you've got to buy in bulk. You've got to buy a decent quantity. Otherwise, you're out the money all day. She going, Squirrel. 56.6% up now. She's trying. What's its history like? Yeah, resistance there, look. Going back to 2019. There's your, oh, get rid of those. You see that there, Squirrel? You got some resistance there, mate. That you're just trying to pop through now. You got one there, and one there, which is today. You get through them. Get through there, you're pretty plain sailing up to about there, I'd say. Maybe around there. Have a look. You got a bit there as well, look. Let's see if you can break it. Get rid of that. What else have we got? Golden Cross. That was yesterday. So you got a Golden Cross yesterday. So it started getting pumped yesterday. When was that? May 2020. Oh no, sorry. This is the 8th of February. You got a jump and then it sold off, look. That's got to be them dirty shorts, that, surely. Put it on the daily. So you got a Golden Cross. Nice. So there's your resistance line, squirrel. I bought some of that mech stock on a whim. Then they released a 500% earnings last night. Oh man, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where is it? Did I put it on the watch list? I don't think I did I? Oh, yeah. You're up there, squirrel, as well, look. Let's put it up here where we're following most of the others. Look at that. Hey. 1625. So you should be here. You up here. What's going on with this chart? Looks horrible. Hmm? 1625 it's trading at, but it doesn't look like the chart's active. Why not? 5 minute. Put it on the hourly. Strange. Any reason why they haven't traded for a couple of days, squirrel, that you know of? They didn't trade yesterday. Monday they did. Are they on a trading halt? Let's see if they're on trading halts. Yeah. Oh, they're getting bought out, mate. Here we go. What date's on this? Oh no, that's November 2010. 2018, 2017. Let's have a look on this website, Fintel. That gives you institutional ownership, doesn't it? Ownership. Let's have a look. We'll go back here, stick the news on. See what it says on the news. We'll read that as well. Mayville Engineering Company Inc. posts quarterly basic and diluted earnings per share. Mayville Q4 sales 95.3 million versus Refinitiv IBES estimate of 91.6. Good. Not providing a financial outlook for 2021. Quarterly basic and diluted earnings per share 0.05. Let's have a look. Yeah, February. Wellington Management Group. 1st of March. Vanguard. Bridge Builder, Wells Fargo, Northern Small, Vanguard. Vanguard. Total Stock Market Index. Extended Market Index Fund. Vanguard, I think they're the ones in AMC and GME. Yeah, it looks like low volume, but I can't see anything on the chart, mate. That's what I'm. Look, there's no movement unless it was literally undetectable. But even then, you know. I do not know. Let me see if it's on Stock Twits. It might be on there and give us some indication of what's going on. It's not trading. It's not trading, Squirrel, for some reason. I have no idea. It's not moving on Stock Twits neither. So I don't know. Is it NYSE they're on? Let's have a look. It's not trading, look. Let's see what Yahoo is saying. It's trading on here. Four days ago. There we go. There's yesterday's, yeah. That's today, 3rd of March, 9:47, 16:19 it looks like. Interesting. 16:25, yeah, I don't know what's going on, mate. What platform are you using? Are you on your Weeble or something like that? It's 16:25 on here as well. It's not showing it anywhere. Anyway, here's what it is. Good pick, mate, yeah? Good pick. I didn't buy any. Again, I can't trade it, which is annoying. Right then, back. We're back. AMC in the red. There we go. Back on the daily. Back on the 1 minute. There we go. Let's see if we were right, Squirrel. Oh, look at that. How's about that for a little bit of charting? Huh? I couldn't have drawn it any better, Squirrel. Look at that. Bosh. Now let's see. Oh, you're on Robin Hood and Sophie. Sophie, I don't know that one. I'll have a look at that one later. I'm quite pleased with that. Call that luck or judgment. I don't know. I'd like to say it's the fruits have been sat here for hours a day watching this stock, but you never know. You never know. Right. GME. Let's see if we can get 2 out of 2 and see if I've done it 2 out of 2. Oh, I tell you what, He's not far off. He's not far off, Squirrel. Yeah, when does your stimulus come through? When do you all get that? $1,400 you get in. I'm going to eat some crisps. Probably. Let me get a bowl. It's probably a bit noisy. I'm hungry. Two to 3 weeks. Oh, it's a long time to wait, isn't it? See these, Squirrel? You call them chips. We call them crisps. Crisps. Chips, where I come from, are what you call fries. Well, they're not actually, because fries are long and thin. Chips are thick cut potatoes, deep fried. It was a staple diet of poor English people, and it still is now. We have fish and chip shops. Best food you can buy on a Friday night, fish and chips. Hey up. What did you buy your SLGG at? It's taking a bit of a dump, lot. That's shorting that, I think, maybe. Quite persistent. No, you're getting back up there, mate. You're getting back up there. End of the day, if you get a nice climb throughout the day. Oh, 563 you got them at. All right, well, you got time, mate. You got plenty of time. Whoa, GME's just took a massive dive, look. There you go. Following my line. It's been loyal to my line, look. I'm influencing the stock market from my living room in the middle of nowhere. Who'd have thought that? I'll tell you what I'm just gonna do. Squirrel, I'm gonna get my eToro ready because I want to be ready to push the button if it takes a massive dumperama. What am I going to need? I'm going to need amount. I'm going to need about 550. Good. So I've got some powder. I've got some powder in the keg in case GME starts dipping off. Look at that though, following that line. How good is that? What's AMC doing? Yeah. Testing it, look, back up. I reckon that's it. Do you know what, Squirrel? I reckon that's it for today. Unless we get... What time did that squeeze happen last Wednesday? Let me have a look, see if I can see what time it happened. £17:55 my time, Squirrel, it happened. 2 hours from now. 2 hours from now that we took off last week to $184. So I'm wondering if we get something similar. It would be nice, wouldn't it? If we get something similar today. Look at that, I'm a chartist. MEC's moving, Squirrel. MEC's moving. Ah, it's barcoding, look. We've got movement. You've dropped to 1602. I'm sorry I'm sharing I'm sorry I'm sharing bad news with you, mate, this afternoon. What's going on Fintel? Still 200,000, look. GME, let's have a look. I want it to be zero. No, no change, no change. I'll show you that. Twitter, go to Roaring Kitty. The Roaring Kitty, there it is. I really need to follow this guy. There we go. He put this on yesterday. Look at this. Brilliant. And then you look at some of the comments. People are saying this is him saying, oh no, look at that. Him saying checkmate. Let's have a look. Quick look at his Twitter feed there. Right, what's happening? We're down. We're down. I need to get ready in case we can grab a few. No, it's pinged back up again, look. You've got to be so quick. So quick. That's a good idea, that. Squirrel, consolidate. I have to do that as well. I end up chasing too many at once and I can't keep up. Not chasing, holding too many at once and I can't keep up. So, yeah, you've got to manage your portfolio for sure. I try to have no more than 6 at any one time. Or if I see one that I like the look of, I'll look to close one and open a new one, depending on what I'm doing with it. I'm looking at ETFs at the moment as a long-term trade. Just, as a put some money in there and just squirrel it away. And then dollar cost average every month into that for a while and see what happens. But I've heard about these SPACs as well, which I don't really know too much about. But they're meant to be quite a good investment vehicle as well. Look at the market, man. It's turning red. It's slowly slipping away. NIO's up. Plug's down. Well down. Clovis is down. That doesn't surprise me one bit. American Airlines. That's green. That's gone up the last few days. That American Airlines. I don't know if you've been watching that one, mate, but yeah, it looks like this is sideways today, doesn't it? AMC, what's happening? Not a lot. Not a lot. Still respecting my line a little bit. Yeah, I was sat here. I was sat here yesterday. I had it on in the. I got it. I got it. I got it on, and I was just nearly falling asleep. I was like, "Oh, this is so tedious." And then you, and then you wonder why you've wasted 6 hours of your life. It wasn't 6 hours really. I had my son here, so I was in between. I had this on, but in between, I was backwards and forwards and playing and doing stuff with him. But we'll see what happens. I think today, let's see if it's part of the overall plan that they, get that high number on Wednesdays, because I'm struggling what to do. I think I might take some out. I don't know if it goes 180 again. I might take some out and just get back what I initially put in, and then let the rest ride a mundo. Because if it's going to 10 grand a share, you only need 10 in there, don't you, really? That's what they say. I'm not so sure myself, but we'll see. Yeah, REITs as well, they're good. Real estate investment things. I've just renovated a property in Europe, Squirrel, actually, and although I found it tedious dealing with all the contractors, I actually turned a very good profit on it. So that's why I'm in the position that I'm in now. I had one. That's all it takes. I had one lucky opportunity. I managed to pick a house up that had been on the market for a couple of years and nobody wanted it because of the amount of work that needed doing on it. And it did need a lot. I mean, structurally it was sound, but it needed a new tiles on the roof. It didn't need new roof beams. They were solid, but it needed the roof tiling. It needed completely gutting and remodelling inside. And the houses in here in Europe, they're made of brick and blocks, concrete blocks, so when you start taking walls out, it's not the drywall that you guys generally have in America. So it's not so easy to take things out, because you have to put supporting beams in and stuff like that to hold the weight of what's above you. So yeah, it needed a lot of work. and I managed to get on it and get the work done, and I sold it. I sold it within 9 months of it going on the market, and which was quite good really, because COVID had just hit when I put it on the market. Two buyers backed out when it went on the market. They put offers in which I accepted, and then they both backed out. But luckily, I got rid of it back end of last year, November last year. So I was really fortunate, and that's given me the opportunity to continue what I'm doing for my normal day job, but also now to split it between that and this, which I'm really enjoying. I'm really enjoying doing this. Got 65 subscribers, Squirrel, now. We're nearly there. We're nearly at 100. We're nearly at 100. So the most watched video was the buyer beware one. So it seems like it's all in the title. You need to put a catchy title on there that draws people in to watch your videos. But I got some really good reactions on that. It's had nearly 700 views, nearly 30 likes. I got some subscribers from it, which was good. So we're getting there, mate. Organic growth. So we'll see where it takes us. AMC dropping off a cliff. Yeah, fighting today, look. They're going to do it. Still respecting that line. So what's your background, Squirrel? What do you do? Yeah, affiliate. I got an email from eToro this morning just to finalise the validation. So I'm hoping by next week I can have an affiliate link on there and put that on there, and then I've got PayPal Me as well, but I think that's for more when you've got more subscribers and they're doing that super chat and stuff. So you know, just do me a favour, Squirrel, because obviously I can't see, but have you got that super chat thing on your end where you can press the $sign? Or do I have to get to certain subscribers to get that as well? I want this to keep coming down so I can grab a few more. I want this to keep dropping, look. Keep dropping. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Come on. What did we finish at yesterday? 119 something, was it? Close 3rd of March. 117.98. So that is $11.70 off that. 106 something we want it to go to get the SSR for tomorrow. I don't think we're going to need it. Keeps dropping like this. I'm going to scoop some up. I just want 4. I've got an order for 4. There you can bounces right back up, look. That's all right, mate. What are you cooking? Maybe you can't do that thing then until you're monetized. I don't know. Or until I put the PayPal me link up there. I don't know. I think this is going to be a theme for today, Squirrel. I think we're going to see this. Lots of red, little bit of green. 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 But to be honest, I'd like them to take it down below 10%. Oh, I see. So you open them, get the affiliate link, and then don't use them. You just trade off the commission. You just claim the commission. I see. Eggs. Nice one. I have scrambled eggs for my breakfast. Scrambled eggs on toast. Oh, she's coming down again. You see? Yeah. Get ready to press the button. I've got Robinhood, Sophie, Coinbase links. Let's get them on account open, I think. Because I've got a Coinbase account. I should look into that as well. Let me make a note. I'll look into that. I can do all that this weekend. I've got nothing on. I wonder if Hargreaves Lansdowne have got one as well. Have a look at that, mate. 114. 114.86. Hey, that's a good idea. I'll check out that Sophie. Let's see, Sophie. Can I get it in Europe? Let's have a look. Might be just an American one. I need to see if we can use it in... can you use Sophie in the UK? Maybe I can do it as Sophie then. I'll have a look at the weekend because this is part of the channel. He's opening a new account and then putting some money in there and seeing how we can grow it. So I'll have a look. Yeah. No, that's right, mate. If I can open one, I'll go to your yeah, I'll go to your profile, mate, and I'll I'll go through your link, and then you get something as well. What are we doing? 866 AMC. Yeah, they're going for it today. Look, oof. This might be the last stand. Looking a bit like yesterday, this squirrel. A little bit sideways. But we'll see. I'll give it 15 more minutes. Yeah, yeah. If you've got them, mate, stick them on your profile. Exactly. You see, these are the things. These are the things that yeah, whole market's going, man. It's all red. These are the things that I should have had prepared before I launched the channel. But I was just sat here thinking, do you know what? Watching these videos about doing YouTube and stuff, and people were just saying, just get on it, just post a video. You know, that's how you'll get into it. If you sit waiting until you've got everything, you'll never start. So, you know, that's what I did. I just took the dive one day and put the videos out, and we'll see how it goes. Everything, look at that red. American Airlines is doing all right, to be fair. They're one that I like to try and day trade. I wonder if they're going to pick up again. It's sat nicely there, look. Now might be a good time to get in some American Airlines. Oh. Let's try that. Let's close that and let's try and get some watch list. American Airlines. Let's get 20 of these and see if we can day trade it. Got enough money in there? Yep. Right then, what we at? 21.77. We'll watch the chart for a minute or two and see if it breaks below that. If it doesn't, I might actually dip in there and grab a few. That's good enough for me. There we go. 20 shares at 21.76 squirrel. So we'll see how that goes as a day trade. More importantly, we'll see if I manage to sell them before closing, because that's that's something I like to do. Day trade something and forget to close the position. So we'll see how that goes. It's the only green in a sea of red, just about. Look, there you go. Drops to 21.75. Fantastic. We're already down. Oh, there we go again. 21.71. Oh, man. Oh, well. It is what it is. We live and learn. I'm 80 cents down already. Never mind. Never mind. What we're doing over here. AMC, look, man. Woo. That's got to be 10% that of yesterday's close. What was it, 890 something? There it is. Close 893, so 89 cents. Oh no, so it's quite a way off, isn't it? American Airlines, we're in the green. We're in the green, squirrel. Look at that. No, we're not. Back in the red. Break even. Good. It's had a good run up lately, though. That lot. Is that 26th of Feb a week? It's gone from below $20 to where we are now, 21.81. I mean, in a week, you can't complain at that. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I've just got to remember to cash out. If I cash out, I'm all right. We'll leave that like that. We'll set that as the bar for today on AAL. Let's get back to GME. Quick look there. What's happening? Ooh, no volume. How many shares have we traded so far? Yeah, 4 million. Nothing. 4 million, 10% of the average daily average volume per 10 days. What about AMC? What have we traded there? 12 million. Oh, it's nothing, man. Nothing. No wonder we've got this. It is nothing. What was that before? 200,000, wasn't it? Still the same. Still the same. No change there. This was 200,000 as well, yeah, with 8.65. Let's have a look. $150,000, so somebody's borrowed some shares for shorting. That was probably there. It's probably what we've seen. There. They're borrowing them still. They're still borrowing them. They are. But anyway, that's the first hour. Let's see how we go for the rest of the day. Leave you with AMC on 871, down 2.5%. GME at 116.88, down around 1.1%. Not much volume on either ticker. It's around about an hour and a half away from where we started to spike this time last week. So keep an eye out for that. Aside from that, it looks like it's pretty quiet at the moment. The market on the whole is red. So we will watch and see how it goes. Okay, I will try and get back on later. I will certainly be doing a video. If I can't live stream, I will be doing a video to analyse today's action and give you an update. Tomorrow I have got a really exciting video for you coming up. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the like, hit the notification, and don't miss it. Please check out my other videos, see what this channel's all about. And if you are popping by, drop into the chat, say hello to me and my man Squirrel, and we hope to see you here soon. Okay, troops, take care, stay safe, have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you again on Mark, that's me, my words, very soon. Bye.